Okay, lesson 2.4. We're going to solve equations with variables on both sides. We're going to use combining like terms and distributive property. This is a review of everything that we have done in Unit 2 thus far. Again, the warm-ups, you need to have them completed, but we're not going to go over them in this lesson. Okay, so let's look at the first problem. The first thing we want to do is draw a line at the equal sign. Now, we're going to combine like terms. We're going to combine everything on the left that can be combined with only stuff on the left. 7 minus 5 is 2r plus 9 equals negative 21 plus 5r. There was nothing on the right side that could be combined. A huge mistake people will make is they want to take the negative 5 and the positive 5 and cancel them out. They're on two different sides of the equal sign. You cannot do that. So now, I always move the smallest coefficient first. Negative 2r, negative 2r. 9 equals negative 21 plus 3r. Add 21, 30 equals 3r. Now we're going to divide by 3. 10 equals r. Okay? That's an example of how to combine like terms. 2 and 3 are the exact same thing, so we'll move on to number 4. Number 4 is distributive property. I have to distribute the number that is directly outside my parentheses, not separated with a sign. Distribute means multiply that number by everything inside. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times negative c, there's a 1 here that's understood. 4 times negative 1 is negative 4, carry your c. Negative 2c minus 2. Negative 2 times 1 is negative 2. Are there any like terms for me to combine? No, there are not. So now I take my smallest coefficient, which is negative 4c. Coefficient is a number with a letter. And I add it to both sides. So I'm going to add 4c to both sides. Because 4c was negative, I added it. This cancels. 4 equals 2c minus 2. Now I have to move my negative 2, so I add 2 to both sides. 6 equals 2c. Oops, not 2,6, 2c. Now I divide both sides by 2.
Can I have your attention, please? If you are not...
Okay. So that means I have to divide both sides by 2. 3 equals c. My 2's cancel. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Okay. So
Antonio, Destiny.
all of our next problems are distributive property. Now we have more combining like terms problems. More distributive property problems. More distributive property, more combining like terms. So, you need to finish filling out all these notes. If you have any questions, please feel free to come in and ask. I know we only went over 2 problems with you today. However, that should be enough because we've already taught you this stuff before. All right, if you have any questions, let me know.